Hey everyone, welcome to another video. In today's video, I am going to show you how to fix a bricked iPhone. So let's get started. If your phone is completely dead or black and not turning on, follow these steps. Quickly press the volume down button and volume up button. Press and hold it until the screen goes black and the Apple logo appears. Keep trying this until you see the logo. This is a forced restart and won't delete your data like photos, apps, or anything you're important. If this doesn't work, make sure you are using the right charging cable. Try a different charger and outlet. You can also try wireless charging by placing your phone on a wireless pad for a few hours. If your phone still won't turn on, use a computer. Connect your phone using your charger to Mac or PC. Open iTunes or Finder if you are on a Mac. Now repeat the button sequence again. Press the volume down button and the power button and press and hold it until the screen goes black. From here, you can either update or restore your phone. After the update, your phone should be working again. I hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. See you next time.